very filmy bachcha. You know, I think you'll have seen videos of me on Instagram where I'm singing all the songs from Main Hoon Na, and yeah, I just knew I was what I am today. I was like that only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you a very studious child?
Yeah.
How much did you score in your 10th?
How can you ask this question? Is that me?
Yes, that's you.
Oh my god, I look like a Momo. That was when I was born. I don't really have any memories because I was just born. Oh my god, that's a lot of hair. I just realized that's crazy. Yeah.
You have not-
but even growing up, I had hair like till my bum, like all the time. I always had long hair. Yeah, and then I got lice. I got Jews in school. तो मुझे बाल काटने पड़े. Yeah. I mean, it's a problem. I had a Facebook account when I was 12 and I was not allowed to have a Facebook account. I'm sure many of you have had everyone's nodding suddenly. But I was not allowed. My mom was like, no, until you're 16, you can't have a Facebook account. But everyone in school had one. So I was like, okay, even I want to make one. So she was not at home. So I was on Facebook talking to someone and everything, and suddenly she walks into the room and I became very guilty. Like I started shutting all the tabs and everything. I got the slap of my life, basically. I had to delete my Facebook account. It was very embarrassing. It's such a mother way of typing a message, you know, with all the spaces and all.
Yes. As a kid, I remember we used to call you reporter because you would always listen into Chunky and my conversations and always report them to the person we were talking about, and we would get into so much trouble.
That's true.
What?
Yes.
What have you been doing? Oh my god, Detective Ananya since childhood.
Yeah, fully.
So you can play a detective.
Yeah. My Instagram bio is private investigator because I know everything.
What is that one thing that you can share with us?
Nothing, because a private investigator never gives...
So you can tell me in private.
Maybe. Yes.
You've always been your dad's favorite child, if I may say.
Still, I don't think so.
Why?
I don't know. I think they all like Raisa more, but you know, it's fine. It's okay.
But I'm also your first photographer, your first cameraman. All those baby videos I shot of yours, you were so obsessed with the camera. And you always wanted to check how your performance was and how you looked. I just wonder if you still trouble your cameramen and your directors the same way you troubled me. If you do, then God bless them. I love you, my little girl. And I'm very proud to be Ananya Pandey's father.
I'm just proud to take his legacy forward. For me, it's a moment of pride and not a moment of shame. So I'm also very happy when I'm known as Chunky Pandey's daughter. Because as you said, he also has a lot of goodwill.
That's true.
You know, so everyone's like, oh my god, your dad is so kind and he's so loving and funny. So I love hearing that, you know.
Ananya had this habit of loving गाजर का हलवा. मतलब कोई दुनिया में नहीं है जो गाजर का हलवा इतना पसंद करता है जितना अनन्या करती है. मतलब she could have it for breakfast, lunch and dinner and then do it all over again for the whole week. So yeah, just I hope if you want this interview to go well, you'll have it prepared for her, and I'm sure she'll be very happy if it's prepared. And you know, as a brother, I've also started accepting the fact that, you know, she's going to have boyfriends and she's going to be seeing people. So for all the boys who are trying to court Ananya with flowers, don't. Just give her gajar ka halwa.
Good. Acceptance is the first step. Yeah, Ahan and me are actually 1 year apart from each other. So we have a lot of common friends and all of that stuff. But Ahan couldn't handle it if I liked a boy or if I was, you know, with someone or something. He would straight go and not be very nice with them because he's very protective. And when he couldn't not be nice, he would start rumors about them. Actually, the way to my heart is flowers. How sweet, thank you.
What's your name?
Yes.
Apsar Ansari.
Apsar?
Apsar.
Oh, thanks.
आपकी उम्र क्या है? 19.
Oh, no. Still young. Raisa के लिए, she's 19 years old. मैं उसको flower देती हूँ. But very sweet, thank you.
से जो टूटे कोई सपना.
Thank you.
That I've been your number one fan from day one. So I'm always very excited to see what you're doing next. And I think this is like the most excited I've been. Like it's going to be such a fun binge watch with just all of us eating pasta and enjoying.
Shocking.
Okay, so when you've been friends for as long as Ananya and I have been friends for, it's always a little bit awkward to show affection. I don't know why, and maybe it's just us, and that's probably something we should work on.
They're not even friends at this point, it's family, you know, and I am who I am because of them, because no matter what I'm going through in life, no matter how I'm feeling, I feel like I'm at home when I'm with them, you know. I feel the most myself, the least judged. They just support me no matter what I do, you know. They're those kind of friends, and I'm just very, very blessed in life. And as Sohana said, if they were not there, I really don't know what I would do. Like, they are just, number one base in life.
You, Sarah, and Janvi. I think there's female bonding there. A lot of times we have grown up listening to cat fights, this, that, XYZ, and हमेशा लड़कियों के बारे में बोला जाता है कि लड़कियां can't be friends. But I think three of you have managed to break that from this generation, of course.
It's very natural to me to become friends with everyone and support one another. And when the Bay trailer came out, both of them were the first people to, put it up on their story. And we are always like that with each other. Even if it's supporting each other or if it's being brutally honest about what we felt about each other's work. Because I feel like no one else but Sarah and Janvi sometimes understand exactly what I'm feeling at this point in my career, with the attention, with everything happening around us. I think they understand me better than anyone else.